for me. Love to hear you please.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, my name is Macy. Hey guys, hey, what's up? How are you guys doing? Hope you all are doing well. So as you guys can tell down in the title of the video, today I am studying for 3 midterm exams. So if y'all don't know what I'm talking about, I am a graduate student. I am a year and a half in my master's degree program, and I'm super excited to be finishing up hopefully soon, but I might take a break, who knows. But in this video, I thought I would just do this relaxing video. I'm gonna put some music there, and comment down below and let me know, what are you studying? Like, what do you got going on? So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I hope this motivates anyone out there that might be studying as well. So thank y'all for watching, and I'll talk to you soon. Cheers.